The Nmap scripting engine, or NSE, is one of Nmap's most powerful and flexible features, and not all sysadmins or pen testers know about it. It allows you to write and share simple scripts using the Lua programming language to automate a wide variety of networking tasks. Using NSE is crucial in order to automate system and vulnerability scans. In particular, you'll be able to perform any sort of DNS enumeration, brute force attack, OS fingerprint and banner grabbing, vulnerability detection and exploitation, backdoor identification, malware discovery, and much more. In this lecture, we'll use only Nmap NSE scripts that come with the default installation of Nmap. There are approximately 600 scripts available. If you want to see the scripts available on your machine, you search for them using the locate command like this. First, we run the update db command to update the file database used by locate. And then locate star.nse. I'm searching for all NSE files. These are the scripts. Let's count them. Let's see how many scripts are available. WC-L. So on this machine, there are 579 NSE scripts available. Among the most useful NSE scripts are the vulnerability scanning scripts. These scripts are usually designed to find a specific vulnerability of the running services on a target that can be later exploited by a hacker. To search for those scripts, we run locate *vuln *.nse. These are vulnerability scanning scripts. And for example, if we want to run a full vulnerability test against a target, we execute nmap --script vuln -t4, it will run faster, and the target. This scan can take a few tenths of seconds or maximum a minute. I'm pausing the recording until it's over. And we are presented with a full report of vulnerabilities discovered for the services that are running on that host. The scan has detected common vulnerabilities and exposures, or CVE. CVE stands for Common Vulnerabilities and Exposures, and in plain English, it simply means that's a way of organizing and categorizing software vulnerabilities. This information can be highly useful for security researchers and penetration testers in their daily tasks. With hundreds of NSE scripts available, we may need some help in determining what they do and how they work. Let's find all available scripts related to SSH. And now let's see the help of this one. Nmap --script -help and the name of the script. And we see the help of the script. As a last example of this lecture, let's launch a brute force attack on an FTP server. This is the target, and an FTP server called Professional FTP Daemon is running. I want to see its logs in real time. Tail -f var log pro ftpd.log. These are the logs of the server. And I'm starting the brute force attack. Nmap --script ftp brute -p21 the port and the target. And on the target host, we'll see the FTP server logs in real time. We notice the brute force attack that's in progress. Note that many NSE scripts do not simulate the attack, but really launch it. Take care not to break systems when testing Nmap NSE scripts. Okay, that's all. In this lecture, we saw that Nmap is one of the most valuable reconnaissance tools used both by black and white hat hackers.